what's up, it's Jenny. Welcome to another weekly video on my channel. For today's video, I'm doing none other than Tengen Uzui from Demon Slayer. He's one of the, I think there's 12 hashira, who are like the higher up Demon Slayer corp members. I don't know. I know I just did a Tanjiro makeup tutorial last week, but I couldn't help myself because I really have been enjoying the new season, and I just enjoy this character a lot. He's pretty flashy, so it's fun to do makeup for, but also, I don't know, I just enjoy his personality as every other person has. Something about white-haired anime characters, right? But yeah, we can get right into the video. Alright, I'm all ready to do my makeup. I already did my base before the video though, so that includes foundation, concealer, contour highlight, some powder, and I also did my brows. I'm gonna go right into doing the eye look, which is probably the most important part of this makeup look for today. I am taking a big fluffy eyeshadow brush and I'm going in this like shimmery nude shade right here. And I'm just gonna swipe this all over my lids. Alright, got my eyeshadow base down, and now I'm gonna go into doing some simple wing eyeliner. I know I go in a weird process when I do my makeup, but like, it works for me, so I'm just gonna keep doing what works for me. Alright, got one eye down, time to do the other and make sure it's even. Okay, all done with the eyeliner, and now I'm gonna take this e.l.f. gold eye glitter. It's kind of like a glitter eyeshadow, but in a liquid form. And this is, I'm using gold because he wears like these gold armbands, and I wanted to incorporate gold somehow into the look. I mean, he's a pretty flashy, he's dressed up pretty like nice and like flashy, so I want to make sure I'm also making the makeup look flashy. And I'm just gonna put this right on top of the eyeshadow and try not to get it on the eyeliner. And this product specifically, I think you can layer it a little bit, so I'm gonna let this side dry, do the other, and then do another layer on each side. Okay, got my first layer down. Also, I wanted to mention that the reason I did the nude-based eyeshadow in the beginning was so that the gold can really have something to sit on top of and be more pigmented, if that makes sense. But I'm gonna quickly do another layer of this. Okay, got the gold glitter down, and I just want to add a little bit of shine to my inner corner, so I'm taking a small eyeshadow brush and going in this like shimmery, whiter, nuder shade. And I'm just gonna put this on my inner corners. And I'm gonna take that same shade and put a little bit on the brow bone to highlight it. And taking the same shade again, I'm gonna use my finger and put a little bit on my cheeks for a little bit of cheek highlight. I know this is eyeshadow, but you can use it for whatever really. If it's safe for your eyes, it's gonna be safe for your face. And a little bit on the tip of my nose. And on the bridge. Okay, it's finally time for the best part of the makeup look, and it's the like little red eye thing that Uzui has. I am using this red liquid eyeliner. I got it from the brand Puda Ier. I think that's how you pronounce it, I'm not really sure, but I'll put something here so that you can see what I'm talking about. Also, right here I'm putting the reference picture I'm using. It's one of the first things you see in the end credits when you're watching Demon Slayer. So it's a nice reference photo. But I'm gonna start doing the bottom part of my eye, and then work my way around. First, I'm just gonna make a line in the inner corner, and it's slightly slanted. Okay, I got the first line, and now I'm gonna make a tiny circle connected to it. first line and circle down, and the next one is a bigger circle. This line is also slanted a little bit, and I'm gonna put it like right here in the middle. There's another line, so I'm gonna put it in between that. Okay, for me especially, I have like extra skin right here on the bottom of my eye, so I kind of have to like pull my skin down so that the eyeliner will be straight. Okay, got that line down, and gonna do a really big circle for that one. When I'm doing the bigger circles, I'm starting with a smaller circle because you can always fix the outside edge of each circle. I was really worried when I was gonna do this look because I'm like, there's no way I'm gonna get a really perfect circle, but this surprisingly is not that hard as I thought it would be, or at least you would think it would be, I don't know. Alright, there's the next circle. The next one is in the middle of the eye, and it's just a line straight down with a small circle, so I'm gonna get that over with quickly. Okay, that line is much better, and now I'm just gonna quickly do a time lapse of this so you can stop listening to me talk and stop between each circle. So yeah. Okay, I got the full bottom part of my eye done, but just before I start the top part, I want to point out that I'm not connecting the red eyeliner to the black eyeliner. I'm connecting it to the gold glitter eyeshadow that I put down. Okay, all done with the best part of the makeup look in my opinion. I'm gonna take some brown gel eyeliner and line the bottom part of my eyes, but I'm only gonna stop like halfway through. Okay, I'm gonna add a little bit of brown mascara to the bottom part of my lashes. I'm not gonna do my top lashes all that much because I'm putting on false lashes later. Okay, to even add more stuff to the eye look, I got these like jewel stickers from Michaels. You can use just normal jewels and then use some eyelash glue to put these on, but these are already stickers and a lot quicker and easier to use. Yeah, so that's why I got these, but they have like 3 different sizes. I'm gonna start with the middle size gem. And I'm going to put 3 on the bottom part of my eye. I'm going to use some tweezers to put these on. First goes in the inner corner on the bottom part of my eye. And I just make sure it's stuck on by pressing it down a little bit. I'm putting this one in the middle. This one goes on the end. So there's only 3 jewels right here. Also, the reason that I'm doing the 3 is because he has 3 jewels on his headpiece, but I wanted to incorporate the little like jewels or stones he has on the side of his headpiece. So I'm extending this one a little bit. I'm gonna add another same size gem right underneath the middle one. Of course, I just dropped it. Tweezers are both helpful and not helpful in this situation, and it's pretty annoying. Okay, there's another medium-sized one. But what's worse is that I'm using smaller ones next. So now I'm gonna add 2 more right underneath this, but the smaller size jewels. Okay, there we got the eye jewels now. Now I'm gonna finish off with some lipstick and use just a pink nude shade and put it a little bit in the center. And finally, some clear lip gloss, except it's kind of pink now because I keep using it over this pink lipstick. Alright, I'm all done with the eye look, and I just had to put on some false lashes and a little bit of setting spray, and we'll go see the final look. Alright, here is the finished makeup look. I just love how like out there it is, and pretty simple actually, even though it's more like glammed up in a way. I don't know. You can let me know what you think about the makeup look in the comments down below though. My favorite part is that I decided to add the eye jewels to represent his headpiece. So yeah, it was just fun trying to play around with what I can incorporate from this character's like outfit stuff into a makeup look. I don't know, I feel like I just keep talking and not really sure where I'm going because I'm talking to myself essentially. But yeah, if you enjoyed the video, you can give it a thumbs up. You can also subscribe to my channel if you want more anime related content in the future. I also have a Twitter, Instagram, and TikTok where I post all of these looks. And on my TikTok especially, I have some extra anime related content if you want to check out my stuff over there. Oh yeah, I have a Twitch channel, but currently I'm taking a break. But I am going to be back streaming starting in the new year. Also, when is this video coming? I think this video is coming out either before or after the new year. But I didn't wish anyone a happy holiday in my last video, so I hope you enjoyed a break if you don't celebrate anything during the holiday season, and if you do, I hope you had fun. And yeah. Why are these intros and outros so awkward every time? I'm not sure. Yeah. You can just check out my social media stuff. I'll put my social media handle somewhere right here in the video. Actually, it's gonna be on this side. Yeah, hope to see you eventually again sometime soon. Bye.